What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you once again for tuning in for another episode of Cushion Swoosh, guys. Yes, we have two pairs of sneakers here. Now, what is the fucking difference between the two? Both are Jordan 4's. The colorway? Both very close to each other, actually. Now, why is the other pair worth $2,000 more than the other? And why is the other pair more sought after than the other one? Well, before we get into this fucking video, guys, full disclaimer, anybody under the age of 18, this channel may not be suitable for you guys. Hey, I do cuss, as you guys can tell. I do smoke some weed, and if you guys are easily offended, please do yourself a favor and click the fuck away. Alright, so as simple as that, guys, simple as that. And for those of you guys that fuck with this type of content, hit that subscribe button real quick if you guys are new, and give me a thumbs up quickly, alright? And spark this up with me, guys. Spark it up with me. If you guys are in Cali, Seattle, Oregon, or hey, my hometown, Vancouver, BC, spark it out with me and let's get started with this fucking video. Whew. Wow, I will drop a video of how to roll a perfect doobie. Let's talk about this. You always gotta buy what you like. Fuck the hype and all this shit. You know what I mean? Like, why spend $2,000 just to get that look down for dudes to fucking notice your shit? I've dated women. I've never really dated anyone that was into sneakers because, well, I don't know. It just never worked out that way for me. I've always dated the girls that a little bit of a girly girl. You know, it is what it is. Most women, girls, don't really give a fuck about your Jordan unless they're the hype beast type, guys. The hype beast type. I've never really dated any of those types ever. That's probably why I have multiple pairs of sneakers every fucking time. I don't ever gotta compete with them, you know? So let's break them up for you guys. Okay? Most of you guys already know what this is. This is the Kaws 4. Let's take this out. And this is a pair of Jordan 4's as well. Yeah, it is cool gray. We have a pair of Kaws 4 and a pair of cool gray 4's. Side by side, they are very, very identical. This is like the done out version of it. And this is the normal version of it. Why is this pair more expensive than this pair? Why is this pair more sought after than this pair? Well, first of all, this is by, in case you guys didn't know who Kaws is, his real name is Brian Donnelly. He's this artist from, I don't know where the fuck he's from, to be honest with you guys. I want to be straight up with you guys. I don't know who the fuck he is, except for the fact that he was a graffiti artist. He does a lot of these little bear bricks, and you guys know I don't own any of those, but I will try to get some because my place is looking pretty fucking bare right now with all a bunch of sneakers. But I do have 3 pairs of these. Sorry, did I say 3? Anyways, I do have 3 pairs of these, and I do have 2 pairs of these. I'm not gonna go take them out right now because I just want to talk a little bit about this. What the fuck is the difference about this shit right here? Nothing. This is just a bunch of fucking hype. Let me be real with you guys, alright? Let me be fucking real with you guys. What makes this justifiable $2,000 shoe? Well, first of all, the goddamn materials on these are pretty fucking minty. They're clean, man. The suede on it, it is buttery, buttery, buttery. So nice, guys. The retail on these were like, I think $500, $400 or some shit. $450 Canadian. Definitely fucking worth it. I don't know what the retail was on US. I think it's like $330 or some shit. I don't know. I'm not really sure. But definitely worth it. It came in a bag and everything. I'll show you guys. Hang tag that came with it. Even the hang tag is like crazy on these. The bag that came with it, sick materials too, guys. You can't even tell too much. Like, you can't really see it. I feel so bad that I can't really see the texture on it and the back texture of it. Like, you can kind of see it, but yeah. Anyways, comes with this, and also the card that came with it. All right, really nice. So all the little things that comes along with it, very nice. But is it worth that much? To each their own. See how. Here's what I'm gonna say about this. All right. If you guys are a fan of Kaws, Brian Donnelly, of his artwork, his bear bricks, of what he's done for the culture, then by all means, this is definitely worth that $2,000. Practicality? Hell fucking no, man. It's not worth $2,000, let alone be worth $1,000. The materials are nice. The soles glow in the dark like crazy on these. Like, look at that. Oh, hold on. There's no reason why you would pass on these. These by far was one of the best releases for 2019, in my opinion. Fuck, I picked up 3 pairs, bro. 3 to stash because I don't want to be wearing these all the time anymore. You know, like, this is just a straight flex to me now. Yes, I do like to wear my shit. I do have doubles of them. It's just that, in my opinion, is like, yo, I can still sell this for like $2,000. That's fucking crazy. And it's been worn like 10 times, but it's still clean. There's no heel drags or anything like that. In terms of just getting the look down, these are way better than this. Because first of all, these are only worth $200. There's really not much of a difference in colorway. I mean, look, definitely not worth the $2,000, but if you guys are balling like that, man, definitely go for this. Because, and if you guys are a straight fan of Kaws, like I said on my last video about the fragments, these pieces right here are turning out to be investments. Because look, we'll never know exactly when Kaws is gonna do another collaboration with Jordan. They did the gray pair, which is the first one, and they did the black pair. I still need that pair too, and which is supposedly the friends and family, but they released them. So really happy to have these in my collection, 2 of them. Definitely really fucking happy to have this in my collection times 3. Here's my advice for you guys. If you guys can't afford it, I mean, why go broke for a pair of sneakers that your girlfriend or the girl that you're trying to impress may not even know what the fuck you're wearing? Who are you really trying to impress? The dude sitting next to you that's wearing a pair of Jordan 1s, or the girl sitting in front of you? I'm just saying, if you wear this one time in front of your girl and then wear this the next time, she probably won't even fucking know. What she would notice is the fact that if you tell her you spent $2,500 on this and could only take her to McDonald's or whatever the fuck it is, and you don't drive a fucking car, yeah, she'd be leaving you, bro. That girl is gonna find somebody else that could take care of her. All I'm saying, guys, is that don't put the hype around it and the price tag around it justify what you want to buy. Buy what you like. If you really, like I said, if you really like this and then you guys have that kind of bag, and if your woman's not gonna get mad at you and shit like that, hey, by all means, man, it's your fucking money. Go ahead, buy it. Chances are it's only gonna go up in prices, so it is a good investment depending on when you bought it. But if you're just gonna wear it, you know, you're just trying to get the look down and everything like that, there are other options. Other options that is way cheaper. And in my opinion, just as nice as the hype pair, if not even better. If both of these, the same price, no hype, I actually like, okay, I'm not gonna lie, I fuck with this shit so much, because the thing is, it's like just the colorway alone. I've said this before. If this came out with no Kaws to it, just the gray and everything, just the same material, I'd still pick up a bunch of them. Maybe even you probably see me with like 3, 4, 5 pairs of these if these weren't Kaws, because I love the colorway and I love Jordan 4's as well. It's one of the most top 5 essential Jordans you need in your collection. It's gonna be dropping shortly for you guys. These are really sick though, I'm not gonna front. I'm just happy to have this in my collection, man, and this too especially. But buy yourself a pair of cool gray 4's, save yourself $2,000, $2,300. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little question switch talk, you know? Buy what you like always. That's all I gotta say. Follow me on Instagram if you guys haven't already, right here. And if you guys do own any of these pairs, make sure do not sleep on the Shoevinator, guys. I do have a link down below for 10% off on all your order. definitely check them out, and it does help the channel out, and it does freaking work. You guys seen what I did with my Travis Scott's right there? I might do it with this shit too. More content coming up for you guys, like I said, and thank you once again for watching another episode of Crush and Swoosh. Till next time, guys. Peace.